If you're looking to send money to Mexico, deciding between Remitly and Western Union can be important. Both services are reliable, but they serve different needs and have different strengths. In this video, we'll compare them side by side so you can choose the best fit for your situation in 2025. Let's begin with Remitly. Remitly is designed for digital money transfers, with a focus on speed and convenience. You send funds via the app or website. Choose your payment method, bank transfer, debit credit card, and your recipient in Mexico can receive the money via bank deposit or cash pickup at partner locations. Remitly offers express delivery. Money arrives in minutes in many cases, and economy delivery, cheaper, takes 3 to 5 business days. One strong point: for many routes to Mexico, Remitly shows competitive all-in costs, fee plus exchange rate markup, when compared to many older players. On the flip side, while the fees may look low, you still have to pay attention to the exchange rate offered. Even a small markup will affect how much the recipient gets. Now, let's look at Western Union. Western Union has an extremely wide network of physical agent locations in Mexico and around the world. If your recipient prefers cash pickup rather than a bank deposit, Western Union shines because of its network and instant pickup options in many locations. You can send money online, via app, or even from an agent location, and your recipient can walk into a store to pick it up. However, the trade-off is cost. Western Union's fees and exchange rate markup tend to be higher than many newer digital-first services, especially when you use the faster delivery methods or send via a card. So, you're paying extra for convenience and access. So, which one should you choose? If you prioritize lowest possible cost for bank deposit transfers, and both you and your recipient have easy access to bank accounts, then Remitly is likely the better option. You'll get good value, especially if you can use the economy mode and send from a supported country. But if your recipient in Mexico does not have a bank account, or if they prefer cash pickup, or they live in a location where bank transfers take a long time, then Western Union becomes attractive because of its reach and flexibility. The convenience of cash in hand matters. Also, if you need the funds instantly and are willing to absorb higher costs for speed and pickup convenience, Western Union may make sense. In summary, Remitly wins when your focus is on value, speed from a digital app, and your recipient has banking or convenient deposit options. Western Union wins when your focus is on coverage, cash pickup, and maximum flexibility for the recipient. Before you send, always compare the total cost, fee plus exchange rate. Check how your recipient will receive the funds, bank versus cash, and decide how fast the money needs to arrive. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more money transfer app reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.